Hey everybody, it's Tanya with scrappychicks.com and your creative Kiwi Lane partner. Today I'm bringing you a tutorial on Halloween ticket embellishments. And to make these tickets, we use the template Celebrate 3 that comes in the Celebrate Kiwi Lane. I'm trying to get the camera to focus here. Okay, and I'll show you the first ticket here. These are very simple and easy to make. This one has eyelash trim around the edges, which is really fun to work with. And then we have Boo. In this ticket, I actually made a Crepe paper rosette and included the ticket on that. And this is one similar to what we're going to make today with the rosette. Okay, so I'll put these over to the side. I'm going to bring all my pieces over. Okay, so to save time, I've already traced out Celebrate 3. So I just put it on the back side of my pattern paper here. And so I've already traced it out. So now I'm just going to cut it. And I know crafters tend to work with a lot of double-sided paper, and that's fine. I do not like pencil lines, and the inking helps with pencil lines, but if I'm working with a piece of paper that's not double-sided and the back side is white, then I flip my template over and I trace on the back side of the paper and then cut it out. So then I don't have to deal with pencil lines. Okay, so then we use our ink here. This is just, I have Tim Holtz Distress ink. This is the Memento ink here, and this is Tuxedo Black. That's what I'm using today, but I use all kinds of inks. I have Stampin' Up, Tim Holtz Distress ink, just whatever you have on hand. Use what you got. No need to go and buy special inks. If you've got them, use them. Keep it simple. Okay, so we just ink the edges. If you like inking, not everybody does. That's okay too. Some people don't like the look of the ink. I do. I think it adds a different element, but it's not for everybody. And again, that's okay. So then we have, let me pull my example so I can look at this and see. Now I'm getting glitter. I did the chunky glitter, and so yes, it makes a mess, but I love glitter, glitter, glitter. So I'm going to put my sample where I can see it here. Okay, so I did this is leftover piece from K & Company, I think it was. This is really old. So I got the trim here. Some people call it eyelash trim. I actually just got this trim at Michael's. Let me grab it. So there is a version that's called eyelash trim. This is actually called Scrubby Sparkle. And I got it in green and purple, and I've also got a white one because Michael's had a sale, buy two get one free. So I went ahead and got a white one for Christmas, and I got green and purple, so I got Halloween colors. That's what my store had available. So what I did was I took the eyelash trim or Scrubby Sparkle, whatever you want to call it, and hot glued it to the back. And it doesn't look so good on the back, but that's okay. It's just the back side. Okay, so we're just gonna put this on here, and you can use your tape runner adhesive, or I like glitter glue, or I prefer a glue gun. That's the fastest. And because this is a little puffy, I'm probably gonna have to use this glitter glue here. So we'll just put the glitter glue on. normally what I really like to use, if it's not, of course, a scrapbooking layout, but if it's an embellishment, I prefer to use my hot glue gun because that's just a whole lot easier and faster. But again, some people don't have a hot glue gun, so just use what you got. This is fast. This glitter glue is typically fast drying, so it'll be fine. Okay. And then this is just a random sticker embellishment that came in the same set. So I'm just going to stick this behind. I'm going to use my tape runner for this. It's got a foam square on it, but I'm just going to put tape adhesive. Tuck this in the back. Okay, so then we have our ticket made. But just to give it a little more dimension here, I'm going to glue it right to the rosette. And again, hot glue from glue gun, that works best for these, but today we're just going to use glitter glue. It'll work as well. It'll just need a little more time to dry, and that's okay. So we just stick that on there, and voila, we have our Ticket crepe paper rosette. Easy peasy. That's what I like. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial here, and I'm going to line these back up so you can see all my tickets. I'll have links below to my website, Facebook, Pinterest page. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And thank you again for watching my Halloween ticket tutorial, and I hope you have a great day.